Kitchen, Reno. Kitchen, Reno.
There's
Kitchen, Reno. Kitchen, Reno. Hey, look at me, I'm on the camera.
Take 'em out, take 'em out. Woo!
That never gets.
That was like crazy guy.
So we just moved the couch. That's mostly where it's gonna.
Fridge, but
Oh my god. We just moved the fridge to over here. That's mostly where it's gonna go. So now we got this nice and open. Cat.
Well, looks like we did a good job taking it all apart. But there's still more to go. Alright, so we got a lot done by the end of the day. See, we got some upper cabinets, the vent, The stove's in the right place. This is in the right place. We had another cupboard that was supposed to go in there, but it needs to be a bit bigger. I didn't really take into consideration that this would have to pop out so far. Anyway, the sink is not working right now. The old plumber's coming tomorrow to fix it, or at least hook it back up, but the dishwasher still works. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I don't feel like washing dishes in the bathroom sink tonight, so throw them in the dishwasher. It's in a good spot too. It's like the highlight of the room. So ripping out a kitchen unfortunately makes a lot of mess that we'll have to load up and take to the dump.
All right, let's get her done.